Hello everyone, welcome back to the Automation Engineer channel. Today I will show you how to calibrate the weight scale transmitter from Sartorius or Minebea Intec model X3. Okay, this is the top of the tank. I will calibrate with 1000 kgs. This is the transmitter X3 process indicator. This is before we calibration, we connect to one laptop with the software. I will open the software to show you. This is the software. The current before calibrate the 734 kg is the weight of the tank. The first step, we need to change the IP address of the laptop to the same subnet, the same network with the IP address of transmitter. Okay, it's done for laptop. So now we will move to transmitter to see the IP address on the transmitter. We come to setup, CD, we come to NP, the SCP, IP address here. You can see it, the same with the laptop. So we come back to the laptop and open the software. The software name Thai VNC connection or Thai VNC viewer. We input the IP address of the weight scale. This is the current weight of the tank. We put on the calip. Put on new. We will put the maximum weight of the tank. Full scale of this tank is 8000 kg. So we put here 8000 kg. We put enter and the step of scale interval will automatic. Now we put the 1000 kg, the weight. We will calibrate the transmitter. Now we come to the top of tank and we put 1000 kg on the top. We have total 50 standard weight like this, and each weight around each weight is 20 kg, so totally 1000 kg. somebody will ask me why we don't put the standard weight in the bottom of the tank. The answer is this tank we just calibration when we change the new transmitter. So around 3 or 4 years we need to calibration. So we don't put the standard weight fixed in the top of the tank. Okay, we move the weight, done. And this is the changing of the weight of the tank in the software. You can see it, the weight will increase from 0 to 1000 kg.
Này nó phải là 1000 kg đúng không? Chưa ổn định đâu.
Now we come to the transmitter to see the value on the transmitter. It's the same with the software. This is the model of the transmitter. For my appearance in the process with the high temperature around 60 to 100 degrees Celsius, we need to use the Sartorius or Minebea Intec. The transmitter is better than other type of transmitter.
Xong chưa anh ơi? Đủ 50 cục không?
Okay, so now is full 1000 kg on the top, but the value on the software is not 1000. So after that we will click on the OK to confirm the 1000 kg, and after that we click on the calculate test. Okay, it's 1000 kg. We click on is this. Okay, now it's done, and deviation is 0.17 kg. And this is the result on the transmitter. Thanks for your watching. See you in the next video.